For this, you're going to produce a position paper, a well-researched position paper on a topic of your choosing, which requires the approval of the teacher. So you can go through all of this at any point in time throughout the course, but I strongly suggest you do so and don't leave it to the last minute, as there are parts of this paper that will be due in the near future. As much as many of you have maybe topics you're very interested in and perhaps you've pursued them in the past, I strongly encourage you not to recycle old work, in that it may not meet the expectation of this particular paper. So prior knowledge, although it's certainly a very valuable asset for this, don't try to take an old paper and make it fit into this assignment, or you'll be very, very disappointed, okay? So what we're going to take a look at today in a moment is the annotated bibliography, which will get you started on your position paper assignment. Well, many of you may have a topic that you're very interested in. I'd like to bring your attention to this part right here, analyzing an issue and developing an argument, which I strongly encourage you not to make an emotional argument, but support your opinions with facts and statistics which validate your argument throughout this paper. There is a great graphic in here to show you exactly how to lay out your paper, which is another reason why I strongly encourage you not to recycle an old paper, as it'll become very apparent that you've done so based on the format outlined here. So everything from your introduction, and it gives you an idea of what to be included in your introduction, to the next portion is the counter argument. Your argument, conclusion, and your plan of action, okay? So all of these are very laid out, and the components that would be involved in those sections of your paper are all laid out in there. The rest of the parameters and details for your paper, much of that is already laid out in here, and I strongly encourage you to go and take a look at this as soon as possible. What we're going to focus on today is